Understanding Field Training, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and practical topic in the English language: field training. Whether you're learning English for work, study, or personal growth, understanding phrases like this can be incredibly helpful. Let's explore what field training means and how it's used in various contexts. Field training refers to hands-on, practical training conducted in a real-world or operational environment. Unlike classroom learning, field training is about applying knowledge and skills in practical situations. It's commonly used in professions like medicine, law enforcement, and the military, where experiencing real-life scenarios is crucial for learning. To better understand the concept, let's look at some examples. In medicine, medical students undergo field training by working in hospitals under the supervision of experienced doctors. Police recruits experience field training by patrolling with senior officers, learning how to handle various situations on the streets. In business, field training might involve new employees shadowing their seniors during client meetings to learn effective communication and negotiation skills. Field training is vital because it enhances practical skills, it bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-world application, prepares for real-life situations, it provides exposure to scenarios that one might encounter in their profession, boosts confidence. Applying skills in a real environment builds confidence and competence. While predominantly a professional term, field training can be used metaphorically in everyday language. For example, a parent might say they're giving their child field training in cooking by letting them prepare a meal. I hope this video has helped clarify what field training means and how it's used in both professional and everyday contexts. Remember, learning English is not just about words, but understanding the context in which they are used. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering phrases like field training in no time. See you in the next video.